The Central Bureau of Investigation, the CBI, is now pushing Interpol to issue blue notices against two Delhi-based businessmen, Saurabh and Gaurav Luthra. These are the men who fled to Phuket just hours after the massive nightclub fire in North Goa that killed 25 people. The fire broke out late Saturday night at Birch by Romeo Lane, a 300 square meter nightclub packed with staff and tourists. By the time firefighters got control, 25 people were dead, 20 staff members and 5 tourists, including 4 from one Delhi family. Meanwhile, police say the Luthra brothers quietly boarded an Indigo flight to Phuket at 5:30 a.m. Sunday, barely 6 hours after the tragedy. Teams sent to their Delhi home found it locked. By Monday, agencies confirmed the brothers were already in Thailand. Now, India wants to stop them from fleeing further. The CBI's Global Operations Center, the unit that has tracked more than 200 fugitives overseas, is leading the operation. They have already helped bring back 136 fugitives through extradition or deportation. Officials say the same playbook is being used for the Luthras, and the senior officers are in direct touch with Thai authorities. So what exactly is a blue notice? Interpol issues 7 color-coded notices: red, yellow, blue, black, green, orange and purple. India's CBI is the nodal agency for all Interpol communications. A blue notice is used to collect information about a wanted person's identity, movement or activities. It helps member countries track someone across borders. It is not an arrest request, but it is the first step in building a global trail. A red notice, on the other hand, asks countries to locate and arrest a suspect so they can force prosecution. A yellow notice is used for missing person, often children or people who cannot identify themselves. These notices allow seamless information sharing, something crucial when suspects flee immediately after an incident, like in the Goa fire case. India already has a strong legal framework with Thailand. Since 2015, both countries have had a formal extradition treaty, and Bangkok has sent back several fugitives in the last decade. Investigators say cooperation is smooth, and that gives them confidence that the Luthra brothers will not escape accountability. Meanwhile, agencies in India are working to secure a formal arrest warrant from a Goa court. And once that is issued, the MEA will send the document to Thai authorities, allowing local police in Phuket to act. For now, the focus is very simple: track them, stop them from fleeing again, and bring them back to face the investigation into one of Goa's deadliest nightclub fires.